Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, all are ready with the
Good
textbook?
afternoon, ma'am.
All are ready with the textbook,
Afternoon, ma'am.
pencil and crayons?
Yes, good afternoon,
Okay,
ma'am.
very good. So we are doing the exercise which is related to patterns. Okay, so Rihan, what is the spelling of pattern?
P-A-T-T-E-R-N.
Pattern. Very good. Okay. Now, all of you, please take the textbook. Take textbook. Take textbook. Page number 14. Take textbook. Page number 14. Okay. I'm going to share the screen now.
14 for Anna.
Okay. Okay, now you can see the screen. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Can you see the screen?
44.
Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Now the page will come within 1 minute. Okay, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, what you can see on the screen? What you can see on the screen?
Figures.
Can you see the page number? Can you see the page number 14?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so all are ready with the pencil. Okay, so I'm going to start. So those who have the textbook, they can write in that. And those who don't have, write the page number and write the answer. Okay, write the page number and write the answer. Okay, so now one more thing. All of you, please mute your system. I already muted. In between, don't mute, unmute the system. Okay, I will ask the question. They will give the answer. Okay, so okay now. So we got the page number 14 and I will read for you. Okay, different shapes are given in this table. You can see different shapes. Okay, write their names. One is done for you. Okay, Dhruva Prashant. Dhruva, please unmute. Okay, can you see the first one? First figure.
Yes.
What is the first figure? What is
Triangle.
it is triangle. It's already written there, triangle. And you can also see one object which is in triangle shape.
Circle.
Okay? Listen to ma'am. When ma'am will ask, that time only give the answer. Okay, Dhruva?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now we will move to the next figure. What is the next figure?
Circle.
There's the spelling of circle.
C-I-R-C-L-E.
Very good. Now write the spelling of circle in that space. And we also see one object which is in the circle shape. What is the object, Dhruva? What is the object having the shape of a circle?
Coin.
Very good, very good. Okay, so we have one object which is in circle shape. Okay. Okay. Now can we move to the next one? Marin, please unmute the device. Marin, unmute. We will move to the next one. Okay. What is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
what is the next figure? What is the next?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Say the spelling of rectangle.
C-I.
Rectangle. R. So which letter?
R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E.
Very good. Now also you can see one object having the shape of a rectangle. What is the object?
10 rupee note.
Very good. It is a 10 rupee note. Now write the spelling rectangle there. Okay. Good. Raya Sakir, can you switch on the video? Okay, good. Can we move to the next one? Next figure? Raya, what's the next one? What's the next one?
Square.
Square. What is the spelling of square? S
Q-A-R-E.
Q-U-A-R-E. Also, we can see one object having the shape of a square shape. Okay, square shape. Square shape. Here the objects are I took a zoom. That's why it's not like a square shape. But in the textbook, we can see it is a square shape. Okay, you understood? See on the board, zoom shape. Okay, so that's why it looks like a rectangle shape. But in the textbook, you can see it is a what shape? Square shape. Okay, now we will move to the next one. Sruta Kirti, please unmute. Sruta Kirti, unmute. What is the next shape? Sruta Kirti, what's the next shape? Sruta Kirti, unmute the device. Okay, good. Unmute the device. Sruta Kirti, unmute the device. Unmute. I can't hear you. Okay, good. What is the next figure? Next shape. Very good. What's spelling of cone?
C-O-N-E.
Very good. You can also see one object having the shape of a cone. What is that?
C-O.
Very good. It's a birthday cap. It's a birthday cap. It's a birthday cap.
Then I finished.
Okay, very good. Siddharth, unmute. Siddharth, unmute.
Finished.
Okay, Siddharth, unmute. Now, Siddharth, unmute the device. What is the next shape? What's the next shape?
Cube.
What is the spelling of cube?
C-U-B-E.
C-U-B-E. Also, you can see one object having the shape of a cube. What is the object?
Dice.
Dice. It is dice.
Keyboard.
Okay. Johan Judy. Johan, what is the next shape?
Keyboard.
It's a cuboid. Who is saying the answer? Is it Johan or any other one? Johan, unmute the device. Okay, very good. What's the shape?
Keyboard.
So the spelling of cuboid. What's spelling of cuboid?
C.
Ah.
C. U.
Ah.
C. U.
Ah.
B.
Ah.
O.
O.
Ah.
ID. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Okay. Also, we can see one object having the shape of a cuboid. What is the object then? What is the object? Matchbox. It is matchbox. So we know it is cuboidal shape. Okay. So those who completed can take the page number 15. Take page number 15. Those who completed can take the page number 15.
C-U-B.
C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. And those who completed You can take the page number 15. Page number 15.
Mary Hunt finished the fifth debate.
Okay. Adam Joe, please unmute. Adam Joe. Adam Joe Tony, please unmute. Okay. So what is the next figure? This one. What is the shape?
Cylinder.
Very good. Say the spelling of cylinder.
CYLINDER.
Very good. CYLINDER. Cylinder. You can also one object having the shape of a cylinder. What is the object?
Soft drink can.
It's a soft drink. Okay, it is a soft drink. Hyan, please unmute. Hyan, please unmute. What about the last one? What is the object? Or what is the sphere? It is sphere. Very good. Say the spelling of sphere.
SPHERE.
Very good. SPHERE. Sphere. What is the object which is given?
Ball.
Ball also look like sphere shape. Very good.
Globe.
It's not a globe. Sometimes we can see it is a paperweight. Paperweight also will come like that. No paperweight. Maybe ball or maybe paperweight. It's okay, no problem. Only we have to know the shape. Also, you can see below that picture, you can see different shapes, different patterns. Also, it is written, a repetition of basic shapes is called a pattern. A repetition of basic shapes is called a pattern.
Repetition of basic shapes is called patterns.
Very good. Now, those who completed can move to the next page. Page number 16. Page number 16. Page number 16. So all are ready with the page number 16?
Yes.
Okay, what about the Johan? Are you ready? Johan, Judy, are you ready with the page number 16? What happened? What happened, Johan?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Very good. Now, here we have to complete the pattern. Okay, this is the exercise we are doing. Example 2. Did you see example 2? Complete the following patterns. One is done for you. Did you see
Yes.
that? Okay, good. Now, see the first one, A. One upside down triangle, then normal triangle, upside down triangle, normal triangle, upside down triangle, normal triangle, upside down triangle. So it's continuing. It's already done. Okay, it's already done. Can we move to number B? Can we move to number B? All are ready? Can we move to number B? Okay. Now number B. Sarah, please unmute. Sarah, please unmute. Sarah, please unmute. Okay. And we have B. What is a B? Please read the pattern, Sarah. Triangle.
Rectangle.
Then
Triangle.
then.
Rectangle.
So what will be next?
Triangle.
Very good. So we have to draw here triangle. Then what is the next?
Rectangle.
Very good. We have to draw one rectangle. So all of you please draw. Draw in your textbook. Okay. All of you please draw in your textbook. All of you please draw in your textbook.
Drawing.
All of you please draw in your textbook.
Ma'am, I am completely finished.
Daniel Jindo, are you ready for the next one?
Ma'am, Ratna finished.
Okay. Daniel, are you ready?
Ratna complete finished.
Now, the C. Okay. Daniel, please read the C question. Okay, C. We have one standing rectangle, then one sleeping rectangle, again standing rectangle, sleeping rectangle. So what will be the next?
Standing rectangle.
Very good. We have standing rectangle. Then what about the next one?
Sleeping rectangle.
Very good. We have a sleeping rectangle. Good. Good, Daniel. So all of you please draw. Adinath, please unmute. Adinath, please unmute. Adinath.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read the D question. Read the D question. We have the pattern. Read it. Which are the shapes?
Circle, circle, square, circle, square.
What will be the next
Circle.
one? What will be the next? Which where we have to draw here?
Square.
See, circle, circle, square, circle, circle, square, circle. So again we have to draw.
Circle.
Very good. After
Circle.
after that.
Square.
Very good.
Square.
Very good. Very good. Very good, Aditya. Very good. Okay, all of you please draw in your textbook. And those who completed can take the page number 17. Also, you please take the crayons. All of you please take a crayon also. Those who completed can take page number 17. Also, you please please take crayons. All are ready with the crayons? Okay, good. Now, Austin, please unmute the device. Austin, please unmute. Okay. So, in this, we have color the given pictures according to the pattern. So, first one we have balls.
Green.
We have a green ball.
Green.
What about the next one? We have a red ball, again green ball, again red ball. So, what color we have to give next?
Red. Green.
First we have to give green color. So all of you please give green color. All of you please give green color to the ball. Green color, okay. So this ball should be green color. Austin, what about the next one? What about the next one?
Red.
We have to give red.
Red.
All of you please give the colors.
Green.
What about the next one?
Green.
Very good. We have to give again green.
കുടിച്ചില്ല പാല അതിനകത്ത് കൊടുത്ത കുടിക്കില്ല എന്തോ നമുക്ക് അതിന് ഹോൾ ഇട്ട് കൊടുത്തു.
Parents, please mute your device and talk. Okay.
ഹോൾ ഇട്ട് കൊടുത്തു.
Parents, please mute your device and talk. Ivania completed? Ivania completed?
Yes, ma'am.
So can we move to the next one? Okay, we have bats. Okay, we have a yellow bat, blue bat, yellow bat, blue bat. What is the next? Varia.
Yellow.
We have to give yellow color. All of you please give yellow color to the bat. Okay.
അതിന്റെ ബാറ്റ് ജീന കൊടുക്കണ്ട ഭാഗത്തിന് ലൈറ്റ് ഇരിക്കാൻ കൊടുക്കും.
So after the yellow, which color?
Blue.
Blue.
Yellow. Orange. Blue.
After blue, we have again
Yellow.
yellow.
Ma'am, I am finished.
Okay, let others complete.
Square. Ma'am, finish.
Let others complete.
Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, I am completely finished. Mama Drishan.
Very good.
എനിക്ക് ബോൾ ബാങ്ക് കൊടുത്താ
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, let others complete. Okay, now Ritvik, please unmute. Ritvik, please unmute. Okay, we have scale or ruler. Okay, we have orange color, blue color, green color, again blue color. Again repeating, orange color, green color. What will be next?
Blue.
Blue. After blue, which will come?
Orange.
Orange. Good. So all of you please do it. Okay. Orange, green, blue. Orange, green.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, let others complete.
Ma'am, I finished.
Let others complete.
I cannot finish. I'm finished. Ma'am, I finished.
So we have orange, green, blue. Again we have which color? Orange color.
Ma'am, I'm finished. Ma'am, I'm not finished. Ma'am, Malavika finished.
Very good, Malavika.
Ma'am, I'm not finished. Mohammed Rishan complete finish.
So all of you completed? All of you completed? Can we move to next one?
Yes.
Okay, good.
അതാണെന്നറിയില്ല.
So we will move to the next one. Okay, we will move to the next one. Aradhi, Pichu. Aradhi, please unmute.
Circle.
Aradhi, please unmute. Okay. Aradhi, please unmute. Aradhi, please unmute the device. So we have complete the following patterns. Okay, we have complete the following patterns. Did you see, Aradhi?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have one first pattern. Read it. Read the pattern. We have
Square, circle, square,
Ah.
circle, square,
So what will be next? What will be next?
circle, square.
Very good. So all of you please draw there. Okay.
Rectangle, triangle. Next is square. Rectangle.
Maithili, please unmute. Maithili, please unmute. So read the second pattern. Read the second pattern.
Triangle,
Ah.
circle,
Ah.
rectangle,
Ah.
triangle, circle.
So what will be next?
Rectangle and triangle.
Others, please mute your device. Ask Maithili, what will be next?
Rectangle
We have rectangle. After
and
rectangle, what will be next?
triangle.
Very good.
Mama, you finished.
Aisha, please unmute. Aisha, please unmute. Aisha, please unmute.
Mama, finished.
Aisha, unmute. Okay.
My finish.
So please keep quiet. Okay. Those who completed, please keep quiet. Aisha, read the third one. See. Aisha. Square. Okay. So what will be next? We have square. After that,
And rectangle.
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 So all of you complete up to this. Okay. Remaining we will do next day. Remaining we will do next day. And also I have to say one thing. So we completed the first chapter now. So that's class test I will take next working day. Means if it is Monday, I will take it on Monday. So Monday you have class test of chapter 1. Okay. Study and come.
1 minute. Ma'am.
One Monday we have class test of chapter 1. Study and come. Okay. Study the textbook and workbook exercise. Study workbook and textbook exercise. All of you completed. Can I stop sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to stop sharing. Okay. So
Okay.
all of you completed the exercises.
Yeah, ma'am.
Once again, I'm reminding you, we have a class system.
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter 1 and you have to study textbook and workbook exercise. Chapter 1. Okay. And today and tomorrow you have time. So please study. Okay. Chapter 1, workbook and textbook. Okay. So it's time to winding up. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.